Tonight, the newest Bandai HG release. From Gundam X, it's the Gundam Leopard. Let's see if it lives up to the hype, or if it's just a Temu Heavyarms. Welcome back. I've got something a little special today. It's an out-of-the-box review. Normally, I don't do these, but I really wanted to show you all before I started painting it. The box, as usual, is really nicely done. It's got the standard promo shots on the side. Good stuff. Here's the blurb about the Gundam Leopard. Pause that to have a look. Oh, by the way, I was able to pick this up for about 2,400 yen. That's only about 15 bucks. Pretty good. I guess that really goes without saying. They're always nice. The runners, of course, come colored and have very nice surface detailing. The molding is super crisp, and I have to say this kit has fantastic color separation. If you wanted to just do it out of the box, you'd have no problem. It's really fantastic on Bandai's part. Here are the stickers for the kit. Alright, let's get building. I only have these cheap godhand nippers, so I just do it the old-fashioned way. Clip the nub little by little, and sand it. It does the job. Before putting on the decals, I wipe the surface with isopropyl alcohol. There we go. They always only want to stick to the tweezers. I have no idea why. Okay, everything's cleaned up and sorted. It's ready for assembly. Let's go. The chest looks really simple, but it's actually very layered. It's got butterfly joints, 2 ball joints in the waist. The Gatling guns on the chest have panels that open, and those have joints themselves. It's totally crazy, but very welcome. The only thing missing is a cockpit, honestly. Next is the head. I love how the 2 halves of the helmet are split parallel to the face. The seam on top gets covered by another piece. This is great engineering, and it's a super cool head design. I love the gold eyes. I don't know if you can see this, but the soles of the feet actually have the rollers molded onto them. Now the legs are identical, except for two differences. The right leg has a beam knife holster, while the left has a removable panel for a separate missile launcher. The waist has been a little controversial, I think. For some reason, the Leopard uses ball joints in the hip, which can pop out without much lateral movement, so keep that in mind. I don't really know what Bandai was thinking, to be honest. I think the arms are honestly my favorite part. Totally asymmetrical, but it works. The right has a missile pod in the shoulder, a grenade launcher on the wrist, and a shield. The left is weaponless, but the shoulder piece looks like a grenade, which I think is really cool. And here it is, the giant beam Gatling hanging off the back. Obviously, it draws immediate parallels to the Heavyarms. But I think in this case it looks less like a weapon that you hold, and it looks more like a part of the mobile suit. Something that's supposed to be there, not just something that was added later. It spins. Let's start the final assembly. First, the legs, side skirts, the chest, the arms, which have keyed pins, and they go on upside down, the beam Gatling, finally, the head. Now here's the arm gimmick. Slide this back, open the hatch, put in the left arm, close it up, and you have this beast. The backpack can slide left and right to accommodate the side-to-side movement of the arm. That's pretty cool. That's good thinking. Okay, enjoy the model. I'll be back to paint it soon. See you then.